Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for your support, both in cash and in kind on this platform. May Olodumare continue to support you. If you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. And if you want to support us, please kindly make use of the join button down below to choose any categories of your choice. Being a member of this platform is a way of showing your support to me. And I say a big thank you to all my members. May Olodumare continue to support you all. And for those of you who always watch my videos, but you do not have the opportunity to be a member, no worries. I still thank you and I say, may Olodumare continue to bless you all as well. Thank you. In this video, I have a topic, a good topic for you. The reason why you may need to consult Ifa. This question is inspired by how you guys come to my DM to ask me when it's necessary for you guys to consult Ifa. As you all know that it's been a while I've been searching Ifa. It's been a while I've been meeting with our Ifa practitioners, Orisha practitioners. I've asked a series of questions from them, and based on my experience and observation, I've been able to come up with some reasons why you may need to consult Ifa. And as you know, I like to make use of a presentation to dish out this point to you, because I know with the presentation, I'm not going to miss any point, because I always want you to learn, to gain something from this channel. I am your spiritual guide, and as you all know that Ifa Orisha practice is going global now, is taking over. That reasons is my duty to research for you, to guide you properly, to give you information on your spiritual journey in Yoruba belief system. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into it, why you may need to consult Ifa. Let's get started. Among other reasons, you may need to consult Ifa for the following reasons. So you may need to consult Ifa for your spiritual guidance. So let's check the point. You can consult Ifa for your spiritual guidance to gain insight into your life paths, make important decisions, or seek solutions to your personal or spiritual problems. So the number one reason why you may need to consult Ifa is for you to understand your spiritual stand. A lot of people want to know their orishas. A lot of people want to understand their dreams. They don't understand what happens, and they want to really know what is going on as a dream, and they do not understand the meaning of the dreams. So you can consult Ifa to understand, to have more insight into your spiritual life. So that's the first thing. So before you can call yourself a spiritual person, you need to understand the area at which your spirituality lies. So you can consult Ifa for your spiritual guidance. So as you know, the spiritual guidance that I mean is to understand your spiritual stand. So you are all particular about which orisha is your orisha. So that is the meaning of spiritual guidance. You really want to understand your spiritual stand. I think that is very straightforward. So let's go to the next point. So another reason why you may need to consult Ifa is celebration of an event. You all know this. Maybe you have an event, you have a ceremony that you have ahead of you. You can consult Ifa. So let's check the point underneath. So Ifa is often consulted before important ceremonies such as weddings, naming ceremonies, funerals, and other cultural events, to ensure that the ceremonies are conducted without any negative forces, and also to seek blessings. So it's very common in Yoruba land, you know, during the time of our ancestors, before an event or before a ceremony is done, our ancestors used to consult Ifa, even to choose the date of the event, to choose the time for the event, for the ceremony. You know, like wedding ceremony, I think is one of the ceremonies that I believe is very important in our life. So you want to choose a day for your wedding, so you can consult Ifa to know the dates, you know. And for the naming ceremonies, you all know that it's very important to consult Ifa. You are consulting Ifa even to know the name of the child. You know, you need to consult Ifa, and all the necessary sacrifice that needed to be done, you know, you have to consult Ifa to know about that. So you consult Ifa when you want to celebrate an event, you have a ceremony ahead of you. When you have a ceremony ahead of you, you can consult Ifa. And the type of ceremony we are talking about are weddings, naming ceremonies, funerals, and other cultural events. It might not be that cultural, maybe any event, maybe your graduation in school, or maybe your promotion celebration or whatever. So you can consult Ifa. It's very good to consult Ifa so that the consultation will help you, will guide you against any negative forces, or to help you to receive more blessing during the event. So that is one of the reasons why you may need to consult Ifa. So let's go further. So another point on why you may need to consult Ifa is health issues, health grants. So you may need to consult Ifa to understand your health status, or to understand more about your health challenge. So let's check the point underneath. So in some cases, Ifa may be consulted for healing purposes or to gain insight into the causes of illness or disease. You know, some people, they have some health challenges. You know, when you consult Ifa, Ifa can help you to receive healing. I am not saying that you should not go to the hospital. That is not what we are saying. You know, when a sacrifice is done before you go to the hospital, or when the consultation is done before you make an attempt to see your doctor, Ifa will tell you, will guide you properly on what to do before you go to the hospital. And a sacrifice can be prescribed. So when the sacrifice is offered, then whatever step you are taking in the hospital, or whatever medication they are giving you, will work for you. I think that point is very straightforward. Let's move to the next point. So another reason why you may need to consult Ifa is conflict resolution. Conflict resolution, as the name implied. So conflict resolution, Ifa can be consulted to help resolve conflicts or disputes within families, communities, or between individuals. So at this point now, you know, we have people who are having problems, you know, with people around them, let's say in their working place or their neighborhood or thereabout. So when you observe that you have problem with the people around you, or you do not know why people hate you so much, or you have problem with people, or you are always in trouble with people, you can consult Ifa, so that Ifa will help you to resolve the conflicts, will help you, will guide you. And as we say that Ifa is a body of wisdom and knowledge, and this is what Ifa will use for you to solve the conflict and dispute that you may be having within your families, your communities, or between your family and friends. So that is it. Let's move forward. Another point is business and financial matters. So you want to make decisions on your business and financial matters. So you can consult Ifa for guidance on business decisions, investments, or financial matters. So when you believe in Ifa, you trust Ifa that Ifa can guide you, then you can consult Ifa to make your decision. So if you do not know what to do concerning your business and financial matters, then you can consult Ifa to have more insight into your decision making, you know, as far as business and financial matters are concerned. So let's move forward. Another reason why you may need to consult Ifa, this is very important to you guys, because we all engage in one relationship or the other. So we are talking about relationship, the relationship that you all know about. So relationship issues. So you may seek Ifa's guidance when facing challenges in your relationships, seeking to understand the root causes of problems and finding solutions. You see, Ifa is a problem solver. Ifa solves problems. So that is why we are talking about challenges here. So when we talk about relationship, it is when you are having challenges in your relationship. Even though you are not having challenges, maybe you are having the feelings that you don't want problems in your relationship, then you can consult Ifa, you know, to guide you, most especially when you are facing challenges in your relationship. Then you can consult Ifa in order to understand the root causes of problems, and Ifa will provide solutions to the problems. Another point why you may need to consult Ifa is for your cultural and traditional practices. I think that is straightforward. So Ifa is an integral part of the Yoruba culture and is consulted for various cultural practices, rituals, and ceremonies, you know. So we consult Ifa, you know, to offer sacrifice in most cases. So, and it's part of our culture. So, however, it is important to know that the decision to consult Ifa is a personal one and is influenced by your beliefs, traditions, and individual preferences. Ifa priests, known as Babalawo, are trained in the art of divination and serve as intermediaries between individuals seeking guidance through Ifa consultation and the Orishas. Welcome back. I hope you have learned something from this video. Next time, I am going to come up with another good topic for you guys that will help you in your spiritual journey, in your Yoruba spiritual journey. And I say that we are all Africans, we are all one. Our belief system is one. We have the same belief system. We may call it different names, but definitely the concept of our belief system is one. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time and get a better life. Bye for now.